Back to my channel. So for all of you guys who don't know me, my name is Dev7959 or Jacob Carroll. Look it up if you want to see more of my videos. So today I am going to be doing, you guys all know the trends and stuff on YouTube, fidget spinners. Now I customized this one personally by Abeck. So I got a black side,
guys!
I got a black side and a blue side.
I got pure black.
On both sides?
Yes, on both sides.
Let me see. Black, black. Okay, my brother got black and black.
And those are also Apex 7s. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, so sorry. Oh, there we go.
Okay, so I am going to be looking on my list of tricks to do and stuff. So tune in. So, as you guys can see, Apex 7s. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. Wrong one. Apex 7s. Sorry about that. Okay, so I will be looking on my list for my tricks to do. So
Jack's up the car, Jack top the back the ride, doing everything cause I can never always work to die.
hold on. Okay, first trick is just to catch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Big A,
I'm not good at that.
A.
Caught it. Next one is to spin it backwards.
I'm gonna need this river.
I know I can do that. Like I just done it. Never mind. The next trick is to press the like button on this video. Wait, what? That's not even a trick.
That might be actually.
So, if you guys want to do it, it's called the like. You just do this, throw it up, it goes up, thumb, and then go, whoo, catch it. There we go. Got it. Wait, that's not even a... Okay, if you guys like my videos, please thumbs up. Next trick is to subscribe. No, that's not a trick question, is it?
Actually it is. Believe it or not, it's a trick.
It's called a dab.
No, it's still spinning.
Until you do that with your fidget spinner. Okay. Next trick is to okay. Next trick is to Next trick is to Next trick is to cut it. Okay.
No.
Next trick is to paper thin it. Not paper thin. What am I talking about? Next trick is to just balance it. Just so you guys can see on the camera. I am doing it fine. Now this fidget spinner does go pretty fast. I'm gonna do my fastest. I'm gonna do it like this, and then like this. There's my fastest like that. Okay. And now I'm gonna do it like if I'm fast, I'm gonna do it like that. Okay. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll be telling you guys what the next video is down in the description below. That face though! Okay, please subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up. See you guys next time.